Every single video you're seeing right now was created using Seedance 2.5, completely free, with no paid subscription required. If you haven't tried this new model yet, you're missing out on one of the biggest AI video updates of 2026. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 platforms where you can access Seedance 2.5 for free and start generating high-quality cinematic videos. One of its biggest features is that it can generate a full 30-second video in a single generation, so you don't have to stitch multiple clips together anymore. But that's just the beginning. You can now edit specific parts of your video without regenerating the whole thing from scratch. On top of that, it supports up to 50 references, including images, videos, and audio, giving you way more control over character consistency, objects, and visual style. I'm Iman, and welcome to Iman Global. But the most exciting part is that one of these 3 platforms lets you create longer videos with Seedance 2.5 for free. Stick around until the end to find out which platform it is. The first platform is Dola. I'll leave the link at the end of the tutorial and in the description as well. One important thing to keep in mind: this platform might not open for some of you, and that doesn't necessarily mean there's anything wrong with it. The service may simply not be available in your country or region. In that case, you may need to use location-changing tools to access it. The login option is in the upper right corner of the website, but as soon as I enter the site, the login page opens up. To get started quickly, I'm using Continue with Google. Once you sign in, you'll be asked a few simple questions, and answering them takes you into the platform. For our first completely free Seedance 2.5 video and to test this AI video generator, I'm clicking New Chat from the menu on the left. A prompt box opens up at the bottom of the screen. I'm hitting Create Video. From the model selector, there are quite a few options available, and I'm setting it to Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Under duration, I'm going with 5 seconds for the video length. A 10-second option is available as well. For aspect ratio, since I'm creating content for YouTube, I'm setting it to 16:9. With the settings ready, I'll drop in a prompt I prepared earlier for a realistic scene and hit Generate. A message appears showing that the text-to-video process with the new Dreamina Seedance 2.5 AI model is underway. Creating this video costs 2 points from our account and takes around 1 to 3 minutes. The interesting part is that we still have another 2 points available for today, and those points are completely free. After a short wait, our first AI video is ready. Time to see what Seedance 2.5 did with this prompt. I'm clicking the video thumbnail, and the video plays in a new box on the right. My prompt was for a realistic music video scene in a ruined location, featuring a band performing with an electric guitar, and it generated the scene correctly and really well. To download it, I'm moving the mouse over the video thumbnail until the download option appears, then I can grab the file. The videos are provided as MP4 files at 720p resolution. I'm using my remaining free credits to create another AI video, this time in 3D. We could continue using the same chat to create a new video with Seedance 2.5, but I'm clicking New Chat so the prompts and videos for each project stay completely separate. Just like before, we'll set up the AI video generator. I'm clicking Create Video, setting the video model to Dreamina Seedance 2.5, keeping duration at 5 seconds, and setting aspect ratio to 16:9. The prompt I prepared for this scene goes into the prompt box, and I'm hitting Generate. The prompt enters the processing stage, and less than 3 minutes later, the new video is ready. Let's see what we got. This time, my prompt was for an AI-generated 3D scene, a cute, lovable robot moving through the middle of a dense forest. For the final step, I'm moving the mouse over the video thumbnail until download appears, then I can save the file. As you can see, Seedance 2.5 rejected this prompt because of certain sensitive words. I used ChatGPT to rewrite the prompt, remove those words, and this time, the video generated successfully. In my opinion, Dola is one of the easiest ways to access Seedance 2.5 for free. You get free credits, and you can download your videos at 720p, 2 features that make it a really solid option. The second option for free access to Seedance 2.5 is a platform called SeedGen. We need to create a user account first. The platform is very sensitive to fake emails and even personal email addresses. For an easier setup, I'm using the Google account login option to enter the platform. After signing in, you can see the amount of free credit available. This platform doesn't provide service in certain countries, so you may end up with 0 credits. I entered with a USA location and received 16 free tokens. But if you enter with a China location, that credit can increase to as many as 30 tokens. From the main menu, you can click Seedance 2.5, or you can hit Try Seedance 2.5 free. This page showcases a number of videos created with this powerful model. Time to create a video with Seedance 2.5. I'm activating the text-to-video tab first. From the AI model dropdown, there are a large number of generators available, and I'm setting the model to Seedance 2.5. The next field is where I enter the prompt I prepared earlier. Under duration, you can choose videos from 4 to 30 seconds, but there's an important limitation. On the free plan, we can only create 4-second videos. The previous platform, Dola, allowed video output at up to 720p in the resolution section, but on this platform, the free plan only gives us 480p. The aspect ratio section has several options as well, but for YouTube, 16:9 works perfectly. I'm hitting Generate Video. A message appears saying the video will be ready in about 2 to 3 minutes. And the result is ready. My prompt was for a video of a beautiful woman with a Northern European appearance. And as you can see, this text-to-video process with Seedance 2.5 followed the idea I gave it very closely. The blue download button is located underneath the video frame. The third option for free access to Seedance 2.5 is a platform called JXP, and it has one unique option. I'm clicking Login in the upper right corner of the website. You can sign in with a personal email or a Google account here as well. Naturally, I'm using my Google account for convenience and entering the platform. A free trial voucher is given to us as a welcome gift when we first sign in, and we can use it with any model, including Seedance 2.5. From the main menu, under AI Video, you can access Seedance 2.5, and you can also click Start Free Trial. I'm opening the Seedance 2.5 section. The text-to-video tab is the one I'm using. The prompt I prepared earlier goes into the next field. On this page, Seedance 2.5 is already selected by default. Under resolution, the free plan only gives us 480p. The aspect ratio section has several horizontal, vertical, and square options, but I'm sticking with 16:9. And the most exciting part, the feature I promise you, is right here. Under duration, you can choose videos from 4 to 30 seconds, and on the free plan, we're actually allowed to create a longer 10-second video with Seedance 2.5. That's a feature the previous platforms didn't give us. I'm clicking Generate Video. The prompt has entered the processing stage. After a short wait, the Seedance 2.5 output is ready. Let's take a look. My prompt was for a video of a woman escaping in an off-road jeep through a tropical forest, while a giant Jurassic Park-style dinosaur chases her at high speed. To download it, I'm simply clicking the download button in the upper right corner of the video frame. The text-to-video process with Seedance 2.5 followed the idea I gave it extremely well. But more importantly, this is a 10-second, multi-shot video. It looks like Seedance 2.5 not only understands different shots, but also manages the camera movement and scene storytelling almost like a director. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe to Iman Global for more powerful AI tools and tutorials. And don't stop here, check out my next tutorial on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.